Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a personal swap between Sabrina and Helen. And we did a theme, and the theme was animals. So I am here, and it's ATCs. Helen sent a cute little card. It says, just saying hello. It says, Tina, thank you for these months of ATC to craft. It has been fun. Many blessings, complete recovery on your gifted hands, Helen. Thank you. They are slowly coming along. So, let's share. I look at Sabrina's. I love the little cow. Isn't it cute? I like how she did her little hearts down the side. She got like book pages, and she did the hearts. I think she colored them in, and then she drew the little leaves, and then she doodled around each heart. And she's got some mixed media on this side and the little cow. Love it, love it. Ain't that pretty? And the theme was animals. And then this is Helen's, and this is so cute. And oh, I should see what I forget. We all got these little cards on things on the back now, where we can tell you what animals. Sabrina's Crafty Journey. Cool. All right. Helen's is May Animal. Helen loves to create, and this is Sabrina _crafty _journey. Here is Helen's. Look at that. I think she painted that background. She's got the little rabbit looking up at the sun. She's got little flowers. Look at all those little details she got in there. She drew the little flowers, stems. So cute. Look at that. So beautiful. You guys, we are awesome. Those are so cute. Thank you guys for doing this swap with me. I enjoyed it. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.